Welcome to IPinfo. In this video, we'll guide you through the dashboard, tools, and data services to help you get started quickly. To get started with IPinfo, first log into your account. You can use your email, GitHub, or Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. The dashboard has many sections. We'll walk you through them later in the video. If you're on the free tier, you get access to our IPinfo Lite service. And even paid users keep full access to IPinfo Lite as well. Let's explore the dashboard. Scroll down a little to the Get Started section. IPinfo offers several ways to explore internet data. This includes the website experience, API access, data downloads, integrations, and more. Use the Search IP Data section to find information on a specific IP address or ASN. Try entering an IP address or select one of the example addresses to explore. When you search for an IP address here, you're redirected to the dashboard IP lookup area. Unlike the regular search feature, this shows responses based on different access tiers, such as IPinfo Lite, IPinfo Core, and IPinfo Plus. IPinfo Core includes everything in IPinfo Lite. Plus, it provides additional city-level information, ASN data, and network flags. IPinfo Plus includes everything in IPinfo Core. It also provides accuracy radius information, mobile IP details, and anonymous IP data. In addition, you can search for an IP address using our search bar. This gives you a more robust experience. The website-based search provides a better UI experience and is structured like a report, while the in-dashboard provides you a more API-like interface. You can start by bookmarking IPs. Starring an IP lets you save interesting addresses to check later. Back on the dashboard homepage, IPs you've starred or bookmarked will appear. In fact, there are two separate pages for them. One page is for your starred IPs. There's another page for every IP you've looked up in the past. The IPinfo dashboard is designed as a full-service platform. It supports robust IP address and threat intelligence research. You can also look up ASN data from the dashboard. It will redirect you to the ASN pages. Now, let's take a look at the API section. This is where your API token lives. You can use it to access our API or download the database. Let's try a curl example below, which already includes your API access token. Let's head to the terminal and run this command. It uses your IPinfo access token to call the IPinfo Lite API service. For more details on the API, visit ipinfo.io/docs. A full guide to our documentation and API features will be covered in another video. Scrolling down the dashboard, we come to the Data Downloads section. This is where you can access downloadable data. We also provide some sample IP databases you can try out. Beyond the dashboard, we also have a selection of IP tools. These can be extremely useful. Let's check them out one by one. The IP enrichment tool lets you bulk enrich multiple IP addresses at once. You can upload a file with IPs or paste them in directly. The tool shows metadata for each IP based on the IPinfo tier you're on. Next, we have the IPinfo Map tool. It lets you visualize the locations of IP addresses on a map. Next is the IPinfo Summary tool. It provides a high-level overview of IP addresses. Neither the map nor the summary tool requires your API token. They're open access tools designed to give critical reporting data for IP addresses. Scrolling down the dashboard, you'll find API usage data. Historical charts show usage over time. The usage section tracks requests against your allocated limit. Here on the dashboard homepage, we've only just started. Let's move to the API section. In this section, you'll see your access token for IPinfo's API. There's sample code to run in your terminal, and our documentation is there to guide you. Scrolling down, you'll find the Token Security section. You can limit your access token to specific domains. This is useful if you want to integrate your token on the front end of a website. You can list one or several domains here. You can also restrict the origin IP addresses that can make requests. Again, you can list one or multiple IPs and CIDR notation is supported. Once you've made your changes, just save your settings. Now let's move on to data downloads. We'll explore the IP data downloads available to you. On the data downloads page, check out the documentation. It provides guidance on our data downloads and how to work with them. On the data downloads dashboard, scroll down to view available data. Every account gets IPinfo Lite, even free tier users. IPinfo Lite provides highly accurate IP to country and ASN information. Any purchased data download services will also be shown here. You can download these databases in the format you want. We support 4 formats in production: CSV, JSON, MMDB, and Parquet. If you'd like to explore more IP databases, see them listed below. You can also download sample files here. Next, we'll explore IPinfo Lite. IPinfo Lite is our foundational data service available to all customers. The API service allows unlimited requests, and the data downloads are updated daily. IPinfo Lite is widely used by enterprises, governments, and open source projects globally. Because of its importance, we've dedicated an entire page to it. Use the subscription section to update billing information. It also lets you configure overages. In the Tools section, you'll find IP enrichment, history, and start IPs. These were introduced earlier on the dashboard homepage. Clicking the Life Buoy icon shows a list of helpful links. Our Help Center serves as the FAQ. You'll find useful mini articles there. The documentation section provides in-depth guidance on using our data. You can contact us using the support form to get help. The IPinfo community is full of information and a place to participate. Connect directly with our team. Learn, share insights, and stay updated with the community. We host events, share technical guides, and tell stories. Everyone is welcome. The corrections page lets ISPs, ASNs, and network operators submit updates for geolocation data. The Profile section lets you update and manage your profile settings. From the Profile section, you can update your settings, change your password, and adjust email preferences. If you want to upgrade to a paid tier, click the View Plans and Pricing button. That will take you to the pricing page. If you need help onboarding, you can reach out to our support team. Just use the support chat widget.